If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin video update today. And the market's still looking normal to me until this point. I don't think there's anything wrong with the market, and I don't expect Bitcoin to move anytime soon at the moment, even though it looks like you're having some little bit of a red candles in between here. But keep in mind that this is still a massive level of support right there. So what I'm going to do is dive into the daily time frame and tell you how the daily time frame looks like, and that's how you're doing it. So this can actually be an extended bull flag right here. So if this bull flag potentially today you just came down, and tomorrow again you can try to move up on a Thursday. So Wednesdays and Thursdays normally are pretty cool for the market, and I don't think it's something to be bothered about at the moment for Bitcoin, I guess. And from here, that still remains for me to look at the coin. I just want to dive into the monthly time frame and still confirm how the monthly is going to play out in the future. So we're here with the monthly time frame, and I just want to see Bitcoin actually come up to $26,000 in the next coming few 6 days or 10 hours. Okay, so you have 6 days, 10 hours, and that also means you have 6 days to join my private channel. And by the way, today we had an amazing win over my trading channel. We got like a 22% win from APT, a new coin that actually got launched on Binance. So yep, go on, join and enjoy that. So basically we're right over here on Bitcoin again, and the reason why I think that Bitcoin is not really bad is because we have altcoins that are breaking out and they're still looking to continue to the upside. So there are a lot of altcoins out there that still show the willingness to continue to the upside. Some of the altcoins are really overbought, but they're actually dumping regardless of Bitcoin going up or not. They're just moving down. And there are some coins that just popped out of it, like Solana. If you check the Solana updates on the channel, it shows that it wants to move up to maybe $31. So if Solana wants to go to $31, basically that means that Bitcoin has something to do with the upside movement. And then you have Jasmine also that is looking to continue to 7,000 from 5,000 right now. That also means that Bitcoin has the willingness to come up to $26,000 at the moment. So I don't see anything bad, of course. But to me personally, I think the worst case scenario is not even 22,000. It's not even this whole zone is not actually dangerous. Like this whole zone, personally, this is okay. That is actually kind of a safe place. For example, if you don't make this bull flag and you don't break it to the upside, you might just do something like come down again and then try to move up again. Okay, so all of this zone is like okay, you can do whatever you want to do in this space. You can make a different pattern. You can just come down like this and try to move up again, come down like this, try to move up, and make a trend line like that. Anything can be made, and then you continue to make an ascending triangle and then go up. These are just scenarios that can play out. Or you can just make this sideways, a little bit of a bull flag on the daily and then continue upside. Or you can just come down and bounce off this area and then continue upside. That's still okay. That still shows that you're going to move up. But the problem is, if you lose 20,258, this is where it's actually the danger zone. That's actually a cross that I think you should keep an eye on, and you don't want to come down there. So that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin right now, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.